In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete rows in Glide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confidently manage your data so your app stays clean and accurate. First, go to Glide in your web browser. I recommend using a desktop browser for the clearest view of your data editor, since you'll have more space to see tables and columns side by side. Once you're on the site, sign into your account. Use the same login method you normally use for Glide. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, complete that as well to keep your data secure. Next, open the project you want to edit. Double-check you're in the correct app, especially if you manage multiple projects. It's a good practice to glance at the app name and thumbnail so you don't accidentally change the wrong dataset. If you're concerned about making big changes, consider working on a duplicate project as a safety net before you modify live data. At the top, click Data. This takes you to Glide's Data Editor, which is the central place to view and manage the information powering your app. Think of it like a spreadsheet, but tailored for app building. Along the left side, you'll see a list of your tables. Choose the table you want to edit. This should be the table that contains the row you intend to remove. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct table by scanning the column names and a few sample rows. Deleting the right row starts with being in the right place. Now, click the row you want to delete. It helps to identify the row by a unique field, like an ID, an email, or a clearly recognizable title. If your table has filters or sorting applied, be sure you're looking at the exact row you mean to change. Precision here prevents accidental removals. With the row selected, click Edit Row. This opens a detailed view of that record, allowing you to review all its fields in one place. This is your final checkpoint to confirm you've got the correct item. In this panel, Glide lets you manage that row's data, and this is also where the row's deletion is controlled. Take a careful look. Make sure everything matches what you intend to remove, and proceed only when you're confident. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs.